Everybody, I'm back here, and I had a special question that I got from one of the video owners, one of the business owners here, about the custom variables that she typically sees everywhere. So it's like custom 17, custom 20, custom 100, custom, etc. So those custom fields that you see basically used literally everywhere in a lot of widgets, features, pages, etc., etc. Let me show you where they are. So once, how do you get to the database first? You go to Developer Hub. Uh, you go to MySQL database. You select your, you select the database that ends in underscore directory. It has to be the underscore directory. You select that one, and then here in the middle of the screen, you scroll down. You scroll down like crazy, like oh my god, and then you get to design settings, this one here. Okay, this number, how many rows you have there, will vary depending on the site. Okay, so not all of them have 698, depends on a missing update, stuff. You click there, and you're gonna start seeing them here. You see, custom 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Where the hell do you actually see this, visually speaking, on the front? You don't see them on the front, you see them in the back, in here in settings, design settings. That's why the table is called website design settings. So let's go to this first tab, to the first option on the first section in that tab, and I'm just going to right click it. Okay, I'm going to click inspect, and you'll see that this specific one is custom 3. The value is open sans. Okay, if you go to custom 3, you see that it says open sans. So if I change this, I don't know, to something else, I'll put it back, but we got open sans there. I'll change this specific one, save it, and then once it saves, if we go to the database, just let's refresh this, you'll see it changed. What in the world? So let's put open sans again here and do it through the database. Um, and if we refresh here, click there, you'll see that in the general website settings, main designs, I should have open sans again. Just close this here. Okay, main designs, open sans. Beautiful, nice. Now, the other question that I had was, can I add my own custom fields? Yes, you can. So what you do is, I mean, if you wanted to do it like this, there's other ways, but for the specific one that the specific owner that was asking me, she wanted to add more options here, and yes, you can. If you go to all the way at the bottom, actually, you don't even need to see the 500 and something or 700. Um, Wait a second. You can insert one here. You can click insert. Just add the name of it that you're gonna have. You don't need to name it custom something, okay? It could be whatever you want. Mainly try to not put spaces there, special characters and stuff like that. Um, like a hyphen or an underscore. That's normal. Like this names. That's also, what the hell is wrong with these names? But you can put whatever you want there, and then a value. This could be used exactly for this, for stuff like this, like titles and stuff. So maybe if you want to reuse, why would you put it here? Because you want to reuse it on multiple pages. This is not the best solution, but it's a solution if you want to add more options here. But for example, if I see these recent audios, I would assume that that's on the design settings, like content to display, and I would actually look for the one that's streaming audio. And if I edit this, I'm going to assume that if I right click this, let's see, post audio's title is called. If I come here, it says post audio's title. See? There is a plugin that we're creating so you can add more like this and manage them from the front, not from the back. So depending on the page that you're on, you'll always be able to see not only the text labels, but also the widgets that you can edit in a live fashion through there, and also all this, let's call them variables again, from the database in a live way, okay? But at least now you know where you can actually look for this and edit them. In case you go crazy, I don't know where the thing is. Like you already checked on the text labels here and it wasn't there, and you went to advanced settings and you didn't find it there, and you didn't find it on the features, which is here, edit post settings, and you didn't find it on widget, you didn't find it everywhere, and maybe it's here. Okay, so I hope this video helps those specific ones that were asking me about the custom, because that was asked a couple of times already. Big hugs to everybody and think positive as always.